Hi everybody, this is my next YouTube video. Today I'm creating a Blackberry pineapple smoothie with a little bit of coconut milk. So we start here like this. We have the coconut milk here. 8 milliliters of coconut milk. Then you add the next soft ingredients, which is the pineapples. Like this. This is about one. This is a few pineapples here already ready to go, and this is about five rings of pineapples, which is about maybe 1.8 kilograms of pineapples. You put them here. Right there, like this. As you can see, then you add the next soft ingredients, which is equivalent to 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and you have 2 large dates, which you have like this. The next ingredients, you add frozen blackberries, these are equivalent to 120 grams of frozen blackberries. So you add these like this. Then next you add the ice, about 20 ice cubes, which is about this much. So you add the ice cubes like this. Then you can add a little bit of honey. Like this. That's enough. Then next, you start the blender. You plug it in first, then make sure it's fastened properly. Like this. And you give it about 2 minutes. the equivalent of about 3 tablespoons or 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt, light Greek yogurt, 20%. Already got, you use light Greek yogurt. Then I used 2 large dates, and I used 2 tablespoons of these chia seeds, and I use honey, and I use the ice, the 20 ice cubes, or about 20 ice cubes, and I use the frozen Blackberry, which is equivalent to about 125 grams. Then, and I use the as you saw, the pineapple rings. Those are equivalent to about maybe 1 kilogram, which I added here, and I saw that you usually only blend for about 2 to 3 minutes at the very most. And for this particular ingredient and with this particular recipe, I added coconut milk. Very, very healthy coconut milk. So, well, if you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you.